Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to use the multimeter to determine the resistance of different resistors. Before you measure the resistance using the multimeter, it is good for you to determine the resistance of the resistor using the color codes before coming to confirm the resistance of the resistor using the multimeter. On my previous video, I showed you how to use the color codes chart to find the resistors of these two resistors. This is the 1K ohm resistor and this is the 220 ohm resistors. The resistor. Can see they have varying color bands, which are 4, but the last one is gold. Hope you can notice. So the first thing you do, you take your multimeter and move your knob. Resistance is measured between here, from the 2M to the 200 ohm. This is what helps you to determine where to measure the resistance is this sign. So where there is this ohm sign, that is where you focus on. That is where you move your knob. So we will move on and take the first resistor, which is the 220 ohm one. We also have to know that a resistor does not have polarity. You can just put any knob, any probe, anywhere on any ends of the resistor. So because our resistor is 220 ohm, we cannot measure using you cannot measure it when the knob is at the 200 point. So we have to push it to a higher value. So our higher value is 2K. So when you measure, you get something like somewhere about 221, which is this is 0.221. When you multiply by 1,000, you get 221, which is okay, because it has a tolerance of about 5%, so it can vary between there. So 220 is okay, and this resistor works correctly. We will then take our 100K resistor. We will use our knob at 2K because 1K is less than 2K, and we will measure it. So the resistance value is about 900, and this also is okay. If the value was so low compared to 1K, that is when you will know that the resistor is not working correctly. I will also use I have 10K ohm resistor, this one. So I will move the knob to 200K, to 20K, because 20K is more than 10K, and measure just the same way. And you find that is 9 point something, which is okay for this resistor. So I will leave you with one question. If at all I had a 1M resistor, ohm resistor, where will I put my knob? Is it at 2M, 200K, or 20K? Please leave your answers on the comment section. Please subscribe. Thank you.